All right, let's jump right in. The world of artificial intelligence is moving at, well, light speed. What was brand new last year is basically the starting line today. So we are going to lay out a roadmap of the skills you actually need for 2026 and pinpoint the exact courses that'll get you there.
And this right here, this is the absolute key. The conversation is completely changed. It's not about just, having a vague idea of what AI is anymore. The demand now is for real, practical, hands-on skills.
Exactly. It's all about applying it. So, listen, it doesn't matter where you're coming from, if you're just curious, looking for a career change, or you're a developer who wants to stay on top. We've created a personalized roadmap for you, broken down into 4 clear paths based on your goals.
Okay, first up, path number 1, the foundation. This is for anyone who hears the term AI and thinks, okay, what does this actually mean for me and my job? But maybe the idea of coding makes you a little nervous. This is your perfect starting block.
If you are just starting out, this course is, without a doubt, the gold standard. It's from Andrew Ng, who's a true pioneer in this space, and he designed it from the ground up to make AI understandable for a non-technical audience.
Now, here's what's really cool and why it's on our 2026 list. The course has been updated, so it's not just the basics of what is AI anymore. It tackles the big, important stuff, like the ethics around generative AI. And, my favorite part, it teaches you to develop a kind of AI vision, to look at your daily work and spot places where this tech can make a real difference. And it does it all in a way that's super easy to follow.
So the bottom line is this. If you want to be able to talk intelligently about AI in meetings, work with technical teams, and help make smart decisions, this is your non-negotiable first step. It really is the foundation for everything else to come.
So let's move on to path 2, the productivity boost. This one's for the professional who wants to become absolutely essential in their job or switch careers by using AI to get way more done.
For this, we're pointing you to the Google AI Essentials Certificate. This program is not about theory, it's all about doing. Google has basically taken the most important AI tools and skills that are transforming offices right now and put them all into one package.
And this program teaches one of the coolest concepts I've heard in a while, vibe coding. How great is that? You can pretty much forget about syntax errors and complex code. This is all about describing the vibe of what you want to create, just using plain English and letting AI do the heavy lifting. It's a revolutionary way to bring ideas to life fast.
You'll get really good at prompt engineering, which is just the art of talking to AI to get exactly what you want. You'll get hands-on with vibe coding. And you'll learn how to use AI to look at a massive spreadsheet and pull out the key insights in seconds, not hours.
And let's be really clear about this. These are not optional, nice-to-have skills anymore. This is becoming the new baseline for jobs in marketing, finance, HR, you name it. Earning the certificate will make your resume pop.
All right, let's totally shift gears and talk about path 3. This one is for the builders, the coders, the engineers, anyone who wants to be right on the cutting edge, creating the future of AI.
For you, the big focus for 2026 is something called Agentic AI. This is the next frontier. We're moving far beyond chatbots that just give you answers. And the top-tier courses from companies like IBM and Simplilearn are where you're going to learn how to build these powerful new systems. So what is an AI agent? Well, think of it this way. A chatbot can suggest a vacation itinerary. An AI agent can actually book the flights, reserve the hotel, and put it on your calendar. It's an AI that takes action. You'll learn to build these using powerful frameworks like LangChain that connect AI to real-world tools. And if you need a little career motivation, here it is. This is where the real money is going to be. The demand for developers who can build AI agents that actually do things is just exploding. Mastering this puts you in the absolute highest tier of tech jobs. And finally, path 4. The creative automator. This is for the storytellers, the marketers, the creators, anyone who wants to use AI to supercharge their creativity and get rid of all the tedious work. The absolute standout here is the AI automation specialization from Vanderbilt University. And this is a game changer because it's built to help you solve high-level strategic creative problems, not just generate a simple social media post. This is all about building systems. You'll learn to create entire workflows. For example, you can take one single idea and have an AI system turn it into a blog post, a series of tweets, a video script, and an email newsletter, all automatically. It's all about using sophisticated prompt patterns to get high-quality results at scale. So there you have it. The roadmap is laid out.
The Foundation, the Productivity Boost, the Developer's Edge, and the Creative Automator. Every single one leads to a powerful set of skills for 2026. The only real question is, which path is the right one for you?
And getting started is simple. Step 1. Just take a second and really think about your main goal. Are you starting out or specializing? Step 2. Explore the links to these courses. They're right down there in the description. And Step 3. The most important one. Just commit. Begin your journey today.
This quote just perfectly captures this moment in time. The field is moving so incredibly fast, and the opportunity is just huge. So don't wait for the future of AI to happen to you. It's time to go out and start building it for yourself.